Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss with you all my experience at TCS digital interview. So after the completion of the written round, I got the call for the TCS digital interview after around 4 days, and my interview was slated for 2 days later after I got the call. So here I'm going to discuss with you all what questions were asked to me and to my friends. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to upload more of my interview experiences in other videos. So coming to the interview experience, the interview was conducted on Microsoft Teams apps. So there were three panelists, and the interview began with the HR checking my documents. So he asked me to share my screen, and I had to show my college ID card, my Aadhaar card, my class 10 and 12 pass certificate, and the mark sheets, and my all the BTech semester mark sheets. So after that started my technical interview. So I'm now going to tell you the questions which were asked to you. So they'll first ask you to share your CV with them, and depending upon your CV they might ask you different varieties of questions. It may start from ML, AI, and it may also be from your core subjects. It may be from programming languages. It can be from anywhere. Like I found this very I did not find this good, that there was there was no common thing. You could be asked questions from anywhere. There were so wide variations in the questions which were asked to different people. So coming to the questions, it is preferred by the interviewers that you know either Java or Python, because these are probably the next gen programming languages. But I did not know this language. I just knew C, C++. So my questions were based on this only. They asked me, what is header file, what are arrays, stacks, queues, how can you implement using linked list, how do you implement, how do you reverse a linked list, how you add nodes, how you delete nodes. So these questions, there were questions from linked list, from stack, queues, and from binary trees, grand graphs. Also there were some theoretical questions also, what are header, what are footers, and what is class. There were, and from C++ there were questions like what is oops, to explain the each of the term, like encapsulation, polymorphism. I'm sure you all must be knowing all these terms. And they are also asking some of them to write codes, and you have to share your screen and type the code on notepad. So I was asked to write a code on Java. On it was a very simple code. You had to check whether the given number is a prime number or not, right? So there were other questions also from C++, like what is encapsulation, what is polymorphism, and they also ask questions like what is preprocessor. Coming to the technologies part, they are asking you, do you all know what are digital marketing, what is machine learning, artificial intelligence, and what are cloud service. So from cloud computing they ask a lot of questions like what is an availability zone, what is a load balancer, and what is a CDN. Also they are asking questions from DBMS like what are the ACID properties, what is normalization and primary key. And from programming and data structures, like some common questions like what is a heap, what is binary tree stack. And also it is preferable to some web development also, because they are asking questions from HTML, CSS, and front end. Also there was a question in DBMS where you are given a table and there were two gender columns, and they said that like one of the gender column was female and one was male. So how would you interchange these two column using SQL? Okay, so now some of my friends from the EC department were also asked questions from the code domain. They were asked questions like what is white noise, why do we use Fourier transform, and what is the advantage of fast Fourier transform over Fourier transform. Also what is a repeater, and they're asking the how do diodes work and how do BJTs work. So I'm sure you should also have a look at your basic electronics before attending the interview, right? So this is all about the tech interview. Now coming to the HR interview, it was pretty cool. They asked questions like, explain yourself in one word. And and some standard questions like explain your strengths, your weakness, and why do you want to join this organization. Also, there was some of them were asked questions like why are you leaving a core field and joining the IT stream. So I'll tell you all guys to please practice all this before attending the interview. Uh, so this is all about my interview experience. I'm sure you all are going to have an amazing experience. So prepare well for the TCS digital interview, and I hope you all guys will crack it. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to surely share many more such interview experiences, and you are going to definitely love it. Thank you guys.